Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about cloud and other topics related to cloud. So what is cloud? The first topic, what is cloud? So the cloud is in recent days its definition has changed a lot. Just few years back you could say the infrastructure like your compute, network, database, storage, if you are able to access it on the internet, that is the cloud. But now there are so many services, and the major these services are provided by AWS, GCP, IBM, Azure. So in recent days you can in my terms I can say the cloud is anything, any service you can avail on the internet, that is a cloud. Like you can use the robot making service, the AI, even the customer management, the lot of things, the CRM, lot of things are there which you can access on internet via the cloud. So this is cloud. So now what is cloud storage? We are using the storage uh, from these services like S3 and those services we are using to store our data, those are cloud storage. So any storage on the cloud is cloud storage. Even you can also make your storage on the cloud. The third topic, what is cloud computing? So it's the same definition, literally the same definition, the computing power which you are using on the internet. And also you can say cloud computing is same as similar as cloud if we define. The third is iCloud. So it is only a name given by Apple, but it is also a cloud. You can also give your cloud a name, and you can say like Anurag Cloud, or IBM has created a cloud. They give name as IBM Cloud. If Tencent also has a cloud which has a game PUBG, so they can name their cloud as a PUBG Cloud. So this is just the naming, but it's the main core idea is the cloud. So accessing services on the internet, those are cloud offerings, you can say, cloud services. The second question is, what is the need of the cloud? Yes, so now what is the need? uh, if I'm using my computer that cost around just let's assume 50. So my computer is 50, but it does not have that power to run a server, or I need more storage, but that is a temporary based storage. I don't need it for a long time, I need it for some time. So when I need these resources and I don't want to purchase it, so what I will do, I will take these services on rent. So this cloud service provider will provide, they do provide all these services on a rent. So I will use what I need, and I will pay as per my need. I will not buy them, I will just rent them. So for these cloud services are needed, and also for hosting websites, storage, and there are a lot of examples. So this is the need of the cloud, and most of the services now, it is so integrated in our daily life that we don't even realize, but a lot of services are hosted on the cloud. Then who is the user of the cloud? Big organizations and companies, individuals, everyone. Literally everyone is using cloud. So everyone is the user of the cloud. Major cloud providers. So major cloud provider is the first is the top. The leader is AWS. Second, Google Cloud Provider, GCP, and Microsoft Azure. Then IBM Cloud, uh, Tencent, Alibaba Cloud. You have yeah, there are so many. There are more than 25. Then the DigitalOcean. So many cloud providers are there, but the leader is AWS. It's a bit expensive, but it has lot of services, around more than 140 services it offers. What will happen if all cloud providers shut down their services? Uh, this question is very interesting. Let's assume a scenario where all the cloud service provider will shut down their services in a particular country or a particular location. Then what will happen? So our emails will stop working. When we access internet, we use YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, these will not work. And the servers, banking servers, if they are deployed on the cloud, yes, they are deployed, some part are deployed on cloud, depends on their dependency, how much they are dependent on the cloud. They will not work for that particular time. So anything which are using the cloud services, it will have impact on them. So yeah, all the services over the internet, most of the things will stop if all cloud providers will stop their services. The next question is, what will cloud in our daily life? So we use email, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, PUBG. So all these services use cloud. How to use cloud? Okay, if we want to use the cloud, how we will achieve it and how we will do it? How is it possible to use the cloud if I want to use it? So you make a ID on just sign up on AWS or GCP or Azure, and then AWS give 1 year free service. There is some quota, they give 1 year free offerings, so you can use the cloud. Then Google also offer 1 year, I think 3 months free service. Same thing I think Microsoft do have. So you can use the cloud. And so soon I will start a detailed course on AWS. I will start it from beginner and take it to the professional level, so I will explain how to use cloud. Thank you everyone.